immigration in Seminole and called Dynamo. Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors. Emrenimu could draw for. So what's na hache? Ombe bua uma unsaka wonkrata. Na swedi edron so a eyomo kokokra. Eba ni nipa sitinemu eni ejumemu nsembia. Omu dimu akotene pa. Omu omre di many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Na ube unse, ahinifuchinie, ebidi de biye.
Atrema kasa toto emfashema erade kaso na manya
Ghana for our portrait ya say dene enya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo. Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors. Emranimu akuku drofo. So what's na hache? Ombe bua uma unsaka wonkrata. Na swedi edron so a eyomo kokokra. Eba ni nipa sitinemu eni ejumemu nsembia. Omu dimu akotene pa. Omu omre di many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Na ube unse ahinifuchinie ebidi de biye.
Atrema kasa toto emfashema erade kaso na manya
Ghana for our portrait ya say dene enya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo. Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors. Emranimu akuku drofo. So what's na hache? Ombe bua uma unsaka wonkrata. Na swedi edron so a eyomo kokokra. Eba ni nipa sitinemu eni ejumemu nsembia. Omu dimu akotene pa. Omu omre di many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384, mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Atrema, kasa toto emfa shema. Erade kaso na manya imase.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say dene. Kenya emrenim for when akwatari wo emrenimu. Poto kasemu, ya kase a lawyer for. Entimini anoma. Mumiyam for immigration in seminar and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors. Emrenimu could draw for. So what's na hache? Ombe bua uma unsaka wonkrata. Na swedi e drone so a eyo mokokokra. Eba ni nipa sitnemu eni adwuma mu nsem bia. Omo di mu akotene pa. Omo wo mre di mani pa bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Atrema, kasa toto emfa shema. Erade kaso na manya imase.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say dene. Kenya emrenim for when akwatari wo emrenimu. Poto kasemu, ya kase a lawyer for. Entimini anoma. Mumiyam for immigration in seminar and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors. Emrenimu could draw for. So what's na hache? Ombe bua uma unsaka wonkrata. Na swedi e drone so a eyo mokokokra. Eba ni nipa sitnemu eni adwuma mu nsem bia. Omo di mu akotene pa. Omo wo mre di mani pa bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Atrema, kasa toto emfa shema. Erade kaso na manya imase.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say dene. Kenya emrenim for when akwatari wo emrenimu. Poto kasemu, ya kase a lawyer for. Entimini anoma. Mumiyam for immigration in seminar and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors. Emrenimu could draw for. So what's na hache? Bua uma unsaka unkrata. Na swedi e dronsua, e yomu kokokra. E bani ni pasitnemu, eni ejume munsembia. Dimu akotenepa. Omre, di many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. I need fuchiniye. Ebidi de biye.
Good evening. Welcome to Legal Matters. This is DJ KB, Top Online Radio UK. I believe you are well. Today is another Wednesday the Lord has made, and a brass will say, a bit a ransom. The gospel according to Gratasem. Wisemart for Daruma. I play Bibiano, Omba Boyna. Nkrata asem ne ekoso ne eba nyina omba kirekire mu na ahweye bia sɛ nya omde man na yɛde abɔ yɛn nkrata sem ho abrabɔ amana akoso kama enti sɛnea da bia munum no Top Online Radio UK Wednesday na say tifo we dem nya announcement na from next week going no yɛbɛyɛ no Tuesday Inti Mr. Yenshenoso. Tuesday from next week going Legal Matters on Top Online Radio. You can be Yako and Tishenoso. Right. Ebra programming ko Mr. Obaso ano washe na enkrata assembly ehunhia pa inti Mr. Obaso na washe link no na afoforo so etimi abetie bi. Inti Yenshenoso. What question be asked a brand common cost no bit me a type of Facebook comment section na mekaina lawyer so ano abaye yo and ye brand ko akrenti memfa lawyer mra na enshase lawyer wisdom Wisemart Solicitors. Welcome to Legal Matters, Top Online Radio UK. Pacho Wisemart as your at the same.
Aja adumo bebia boko wonso ohono etisane
nyame adom boko papa
de janase de radiase
yo de nyame asese ode mu abekan sabim lawyer de ni se mu ni adachi as one show being cracked mu no gina court court ya na tiase ndina na yen pese e be ham bebre no enti lawyer tiere yam share say enede say legal update no na ne o bi apostle ka ho bia no fama yen medase
yo papa medase biom a few updates. Say last week me ATS changes be aba yes me ATS changes be everybody me say me for the gig economy. So in other words yenga na ye juma wo Uber Eats, Deliveroo and Just Eat for no not anchor normally yen should be set nipana or the motorbike riders now will deliver the any sunny animal or more sit now. Now, so say no, a bind is So who will come to back a crack or the Dianacomovia, so say who are sitting no Kruma and Sana, what to make a co deliver Diane.
Wow.
So we are Uber Eats driver as a social say who are sitting on Sana, what to make a co Dibiani, a few McDonald's, and a KFC, and anywhere from
They are
restaurant.
command or your wisdom. Wisemart office or no? Grand.
And so just was sitting on with me as you are and the only sit no chrome her and yet the animal want to make and found movie and no idea or modi abba a very wide just is covering a wide range of sectors the say no a here said ubenya sitting on sana would debate to me ayejuma a chroma. No nti home office for the ɔmo akeka wɔn ho nti wei deɛ mede bɔ obi akɔkɔ sɛ nansan detentions bebree ɛrekɔ so detentions ɛrekɔ so titiriw yɛn a yɛdi yɛfrɛ no sɛn health and care deɛ no ɛbaa yɛn a yɛn ho kamfo no akɔ reporte ama home office for sɛ yɛn ne together biom no na home office atwa wɔ asetena no mu no wɔ hɔ a na ɔmo abɔ wo pono mu nti sɛ wonim sɛ wonhwɛ kwan sɛ kodwo bɛba wɔ hɔ na sɛ obi bɔ wo pono mu a ɛnyɛ kodwo a ɛndeɛ to wo ho fo wokɔ bue daa ne pɛ ɛneɛ woa na wode wo ho ɛde ma yɛanom nti saa na mɛka no anaasɛ kodwo aba wo dan no na sɛ wɔbobo no wante wo nka a ɛbɛfrɛ wo anaasɛ afa sɛ nyɛ saa nti wɔfrɛ wo na onim sɛ obi na megyina kwan no a na wakɔ akɔ bie no but ɛnyɛ kodwo ɛna wonim sɛ obi nso mfa aduane bi mmerɛ ɛnyɛ Uber Eats ɛna ɛba ɛnyɛ Just Eat ɛna ɛba ɛnyɛ Deliveroo a ɛne ɛbɛka sɛ ɛneɛ mɛmfa wo ho nkɔhyɛ asɛm mu because wɔn bie a ɛnyɛ adeɛ a obi bɛba wo dan mu abɛbisabisa nsɛm ɛno ne one ɛna yɛn a yɛyɛ students a yɛaba school fees nti yɛntumi ntua fees no ebinom deɛ ebi papa anane maame ɛna ahyɛ ne bɔ sɛ me ametua tuition fee no bibia wabedu ha no bibi nti sika no ɛmma ɛno nti wɔntumi ankɔ school no ɛfa ɛno so nti amane wankɔ school no nti university no abɔ home office form aso ɔabɔ amaneɛ sɛ sɛ papa yi ana maame yi wanyamba school ɔbaayɛ pɛpɛpɛ yɛnim sɛ wɔ kurom ha wabɛgye ne card nanso ɔkɔɛ no wɔnsan amma biom ɔmma classes nti yɛnteke no ɛno nti ne krataa no a mode ama no no mongye mfi ne nsɛm because yɛnti na ɔbaayɛ sɛ ɔba bɛkɔ school nti waba na ɔnkɔ school no deɛ ɛneɛ ɔndi mmara no so nti na home office foɔ atwa wɔ krataa no na ɔma 60 days sɛ in fact prepare na fi kurom ha. But students, they give it immediate effect into a straight away. Only a crime being poor over first so and yeah, may go 60 days. Vinam de Chamuka and Sanamaco Chroma Marco with immediate effect into Woody. It means you just have to get ready and pack your bag and leave the country to your country. So, and also na air course. Students are one course school. Home office for revoke your license, revoke your student visa. Also, home office church say a be emra reporting centers near different places. A be echo police stations echo report say I may not be okrum many sit na masit na ne wuna so me da so okrum na home office take you and mama kill no mama another 2 weeks sambra na edi ho ebechere ana 1 month bra every 1 month no na air courses say na ebinom nso papa ne home office for ya ne say bia wo nim say wa address a wo no omo ne mu na nso be hwe na letter be to post mo say wo no bra be report it ya na nkrofo very surprised say na address omo ne address we eba ni sign na omo yes. The Home Office has a wide range of powers. So almost should be better me anya and say information via me GPs. They can send your details to the GPs in the area now. Or the NHS. So NHS number. Me run it and was Croydon and now Edmonton and now Elford. They can find out where you are. And now I'm HMRC. So Juma, details, national insurance, no details, no ever. And now applications Juma, so the address being a share. And see, address no. Me I retrieve it. Now the letter, bro. So, no. And him say, Hannah would say, bra, me report it. Now, so one me report here, and yeah, why ubia, you bet me at you, edu ako ukro. So that is what is taking place now. And then tia na me poko say, sebeya, menkase lawyers for have all the answers to all the questions in this world. But at least, about me more guidance, your way, and now a hand up, for left, for right, and for center. Now, near as I said, we are. So that is very, very, very important. Near air cost and I may air cancer say now. Say Ukoko report here, a possible say. I'm betting me more report it. No one sign, no say San Cobra the next week. San Cobra, no Mokachon, no Mokachon say, Cope be and now Copen Quam Fufro Biswa, would it a na Cromhan. Yamo San Cobra once. San Cobra 2 months, San Cobra 6 months, San Cobra 8 months. Also cover 1 year. One day I will come almost a San Cobra, na bra na by San Cotrano, na wabakotna detention center. Quan share na ya prepare na ya do echo. And to Cobra na ye cachono, ye bo cocose, co share bibi na ye, and I compare a maraquan beer would be na. The Chroma, you see a banyansa for ye bune, abe, abe, and abe.
You put a bet.
Alan come on.
Ah, no, come. I would account there now by your Diana, a bequine.
That did you, a banyansa for your bune bet, but and yes, a cobrano, as some no catching or cock, bra, bra. One day we'll cock brano, untimen copium. Na chese unai ese ekwanso a wo ko kotoka ana Accra International enti say yesi kobra na ye ma okwanse ko hwehwe bibia wo be fa so ejaye application now obi be bisa senti obi a wa sit krom ha woni asit na bia betimi adetene na now this is my main topic, then I have a scenario. We'll talk about the scenario if we have some time. One more mutimi detene o me one obi a wo krom ha waba krom ha o visa newu o student visa newu one go school no one year extension bia wo no ye chiwa ye beteme a process you, detain you and remove you. Number 2, wa ubdi visit visa edi buy wo say over for 1 month wa betena mo 5 years. A chere one can no kwara nchire wo no so musa so mu a because we visa na won nti one application for bi nti wo sa ne pa no wo ye obi a so musa so mu a omatimi de wo akọ. So that is one category of omo a ye betimi de omo afi krom ha e de akọra no. Number 2, anybody who you are a person who is liable to be detained pending examination. Yeah, show your interview. Yeah, your examination. Actually, I say one as a southern croma and as a southern croma. Wo sani pano, so more. You can be detained, processed, and taken out of this country. Sa senior or we are. I must say you are liable to be detained pending examination because you're a person required to submit to examination. Yes, bra. Interview one call. Why a person of interest? Very, very much of interest to them. Amusa so more and you would very likely they'll detain you and take you away. Or even if they don't take you away, they'll detain you and want to question you and find out what your situation is in the UK. And non ya meka se o ba okrom ha bomodin ma ubano ni passport picture and wo phone so ma ubano ni birth certificate and wo phone so ubano pictures awoni ubano twitwa ma ebe and wo phone so se asem bi sia what me dey twam say oh me kura no minim se matna ha atra ne asese metina nanso me wo ba me ba ni kura ni picture ni me ne me ba ni hwe ya twatwa pictures kama the passport picture ni and the passport photo copy of the passport ni birth certificate nso ni udin wasu kama based on no nipa na ohwe wase na makase wampa saa papa ampa se our family life wo krom ha based on no ometimi agyawo na wakwa ye application di atum ansa na your next reporting time no aso but se wanya ne saa na yesi cobra na eni asam kese na homo ka kiro one day obekono na wontumi ensa emma biom. So that is it. The next one is you are a person liable to be detained because you're a person who has been refused leave to enter the United Kingdom. Wono ubaye and ubano uba conference. Conference was in February. There were April, afe na uba. Papa conference now was ubano. Conference was in February. And I was April. And the conference bena uba. To see
so a Christmas visit visa. We do a Easter.
What we do is what we do Christmas visit visa. No, what we do Easter. The times have changed, the circumstances have changed. Until Bisano, Udu airport, so I met say your circumstances have changed. And non take I met me a track passport mo visa no mo. So you track visa no mo sa. You bet me a say bra inside. Now so bra be report it. Who sane pano? You are a person who is liable to be detained because you've been refused leave to enter the United Kingdom. You can be detained. And you make me at your airport, you make me detain your airport because you are refused to say member inside. And now put your job sitting no more, you see bra, never admin review. And now present yourself after every 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or 1 month. Use such a person, you can be detained and processed and then removed from the UK. Another category of young you are liable to be detained because you are a person without leave who has been served with notice of liability to removal. Wono, we are obia, we are sitna. Yama notice, yama letter say wono ko nanzo aswadenti oda so kroma. Yesi ko krom woso nko ento da so kroma because the krom we all de wonso one pe kwan foforo bi nso amfanya wa sitna so wetina kroma wonenam sa wadamfo bi enura na oye program bi o say wo ye project a ja project no na hwe wa sitna ho ansa na wa ye wakoto project no so because see we hana onya sika no e de ye project no se unya sitna okrom ha ye so mo na edu kwa project no ebe so bebi aso no ehwa ana ebeka anti sort ho first na wetimi akotua project no so anti project no so ayeye bia wa start project wa wie mpo 5-bedroom house beautiful e wo bipo piso wo bipo no so a wo town no very clear. Yes, so light, everything is clear. So if you want we are crowd up people so until we are who say honor we fear no. Nanso for the past 10 years, because I sit na nti unyankwe. Adenti na won sort wo enkonkoda wo da kakra. Eno nti ehia say unia sit na okrom ha bomoding na sort ho. Ansa na project no wotime akwakowie. Enye sa edinsampi anadi how we brain edi ebebrel Mia minim
Yapa, the lawyer can hear because you move brain no, you took quite yana. Yes, I perceive a queer dear, you know. But me no be a brain a tip for be a crowd team winning. By, you know, a project, see or cost started. But in Crata 7 years. When you feel no, so I win him, and your man just what will be a nice home. And easy, sir. What you are being a big cry, and I said, yeah, you know, I say a boat in beside no mobile. Ain't here pa, and tables and four in Crata 7 years. Yenica a huge man, son. And now you're doing your party, but then, dear, when you're on Crata, we are, the opposite so you be with me. Me that's a lawyer into us.
me that's papa. That's papa. So yes, here say yeah project, but near ever working once and why your project no more than the show. Now we will be liable to be detained because there's a reasonable suspicion that you may be liable to be removed. One work or court. Why application back we have amount. Second one yampa. Third one yampa amount. Would you call court no swap once on the go. And just say, why you never wait me be a winning asset now? Wo san panel say abansa so more. We will be who is liable to be removed because winning asset na via chroma. And a winning application for Provian so either home office on they would easily remove you into water. So amunsa so more. Number detain you. Now I'm prepare say I'm de wo ever call. Now, sir, we will be sir and the maker say I want supermodern. Let's seek legal advice. Nani as a no, what to me ayano and term. The next one is you are liable to be detained pending a decision to deport you. Obi awakoye boni pa yedina ko court a boni ya boni court could be convicted. A boni could do na finally yes so ye do betum because of nyawaye nti wakodem kakra. And you be brave as work with them maybe 1 year, 2 years be waba. Court they say wo sani pay. Yen here wo chromo unti deportation ye diabeto so. Sa deportation now ya too no so no. Almost say wono so ma. Even though say yen you wono. Yeah, and they haven't actively ignited the deportation on you. So almost so ma because you be without deportation listening to and but me detail no now also omodewo afikroma ediako. Now another one is where obia you are detained pending a decision or removal from the United Kingdom. Now why application and your first time and your second time and your third time and your fourth time who sign pay the same application and would equal every day society because upe say be wedam keke udi akọ yamfa mo wan muba sa documents na no di akọ yamfa mo unware usan di akọ wono your refusal application your friend say is certified means adikru na udi ba and na wono udi court kra there's no real prospect say you will succeed. You're certified with decision na e kire say wontime mfa nko court e kire say it has no merit. You don't have any prospect of succeeding. And to know what say you'll be refused and your decision is certified. Yes.
Which may appeal. And I said,
you can't right of appeal.
Wow.
Only right of appeal because almost say, so what they call court poor. She be for be anywhere. Who call court yen and I want pam marry it out. And two call court we see a time. We see court in time because only case. But never brings who share decision almost should share certified no.
Wow.
Lawyer for and I bet you say your application has been refused and the decision has been certified. Yeah, who's certified I name near actually.
Hey, and Carmine de Minimani is certified accountant. Is that also certified judgment and a decision?
certified home office decision. Certificate, I just want to yeah, the certificate are too. So say, oh, I say no,
so
yes. And he was sunny panel. And when he said quickly, so pay yeah, and yes, sir. Almost as someone because your decision is certified and you don't have the right of appeal, etc. No admin review, no. And yeah, wait to me, I be before unless your circumstances have changed. Yeah, uoba. Once application is that's home office or no, uoba. Of course, so see an assistant and to a new application based on your uba. But so be anywhere and yet wouldn't and you also be I don't say so I'm so much do ever call. Then the other one is you are subject to deportation order or detained pending a deportation order. Also, why be a duaco court about do a more big conviction. Now, so only your jail zebra whilst you are waiting your conviction. And on top of that, I'm going to say deportation order, beba. And now your jail when we court sentence, no, any jail, but there's going to be a deportation order on you. So whilst you are pending, you are waiting, you are subject to deportation order, detained pending a deportation order from the United Kingdom. Yeah, trying say the deportation order be told so no. Once someone says someone, do ebeko baby ufi ebaye. The other category is you are detained, liable to be detained for the following reason or for any other reason which is deemed to be detainable. You will ubeko you be detained. You detained also and your holiday camp, a detention center, and your life is restricted. There's only so much you can do. Now, say I detained a diana ubetumi. That is what matters to us. One, say I detained one of my can say owo eba ma omo say me benie say wa ware a ma omo say ma ware me yire no e wo ba ma ba no manie. Now the pictures ni bibia dia kire won based on eno no on beto me amaw bail eno your friend immigration bail. When you say see bail a so nipa no ya che no eno ya ma ne kwan say on kombra krowe mu no ye wo court bail and your immigration bail. Wow. Immigration bail ni chere say yamfa wan court. Home office nankasa na say wono ko nebra. Now, home office amount bail and not any of the court now. Not court amount bail say wono ko report it every 2 weeks. The found who chere say who da so e wo krum ha. Unya sit na. Once you da we ya sit na the pen na obey no condition no na eto etra. So that is it. Yeah. Chiwa ye detain obi a tell them your family life, etc. So we application be a na wonya start here what may instruct we yiri and now be outside no na omotime the application no e the atom amount and time say here say lawyer no baba sram our detention center am sign documents no so a obetime ayesa anampo say here say lawyer need the documents be sign in detention center ho na was sign fax it back to Yansua. That is also a possibility. So these are some of the things you can do if you happen to be detained in the UK. And I say, Bibia etwam ebia na wangasa uba no na uso be claim asylum mpo dida but uba krom na no refia na wantimi anye na se edu ho na ehia se u claim ya ene claim wo kwasa wo detention ho no na ombeja wo se bra be report kopem time e kwan bi ebebie ade amount. Now that is what it is. Now say amount immigration bail e chere se ya chu nanso ye jaw so yeah for home bechere your immigration bail ni ma bi wo ho want to me enye one want to me nye adwuma two I mean want to me nye adwuma full time or part time or 1 hour or 2 hours so want to me enye adwuma.
Hey, lawyer, now how do you survive?
Sir, yeah, catch those say, Papa, a crown won't win to pack uniama, na whole chrome.
Wow.
Yes, and see, say, Amo Yano. I'll say some years ago, Naima, Theresa May, or say she was going to create a hostile environment. Hostile environment. Now, while we're more about so, now, wako, and there be some say, Hina the money bag so, wako, aha, yes, or no, and our money bag so, wako, and say, now, so yes, when we are creating a hostile environment, yes, who to edugonia a bit. Nyame nso ɔhwɛ ne mma, nyame hwɛ ne mma ɛnti. But the fact sɛ nyame hwɛ ne mma no ɛnkyerɛ sɛ wobɛtena ase saa a wonyɛ nea ɛsɛ sɛ woyɛ.
Lawyer, would I make question we in Tremona yen twas? Obi bisa the question by Serbia Obi a day route be the student visa abakrumha. Utimi nebia visa na wuno. Utimi ko di edro. Na man ye.
Edro bɛn.
Edro se lawyer I'm saying the mood kakra. Utimi eko siki asylum.
Me tia CFA. Aha. Yes, sir. Normally, sir, who secure asylum actually say who dwane if you be home. And wabaha. Na a hana be we wan kwabia. And I said, yes, I can. A hana be dane wo wan kwabia. Baby I would dwane akwa kwashe. Now what ba 2 years ne 3 years ne 4 years ne one secure asylum. A fair be a sinner. And I was a secure asylum. And mama who said, and yet be na wo dwane if you home. And until I was secure asylum. Bibia a sinner, yes, ye de wo air cononti, and that was secure asylum. Now, so say I am pass or conditions being and factors being seen a wood journey. If you also Ghana to say this LGBTQ plus etc.
Same way no. Na obi abeso some say you.
Who say?
Say even the politicians they don't want to touch it. Say the new government, you know, I think say anyway. Nyade papa sane beka no. Lawyer yam to aso.
Yem pese yede yensa ebeka ana wo no wo dwane pipipi ho na so wo ba ye no. Wonim se eha ne de okay. Wechi ena sa loyi akoba. Tam na wo ba no na sa lo no. Okay. What about do hano? And I was hey, ya no mo misan ko kire a say na lo na eba ana nia omudi eba no mekwa e bebu mi ekube. Yes, and non take and I may say asylum. Yes, to me I say asylum. If the factors on which you want to seek asylum or you are seeking asylum existed before you came and you have evidence to prove set this is the condition. This is the evidence. I know the American say yes, to me as a case of set time. I'm a poor. It's still possible, say, Obeseke, Sa Asylum. And Papa, it is possible.
Okay,
it's possible.
Yes,
thank you. Yes. And now, Yamo immigration bail, won't to mean Yejuma, won't to mean go school, won't to mean rented die, won't to mean and kaka. Never bro, I want to mean your bank account and so when they be want to mean go be from. And your whole life has become so restricted to the extent that one over can say, Baba, the chrome party, mint na.
And so, lawyer, I mean, Mr. Honum, ye said, if you are how would drive it at that before the immigration bill was put on you until I'll be our license out in drive. Then you have to stop the driving.
Ideally, yes, you have to stop because when you sit down and work and car and take say delivery motorbike express say I'm just sit down and work motorbike. Now who can car 4 legged? Yes, sir. Yours is more
Wow.
onerous. So here kwanza wukura wo asset na esen motor for na nsa na wo etimi akaka. Enti se woni asset na ana wo driver's license ne dida. Ena wa asset na ewu. Afei na wo akwa application na ebeye a kan no nka wo begya kakra. Na nyame adom na se wo sort wo niam awie a na weteme ato aso aka wo car because asem bi ko si na mo say ah wo kura no ni asset na e na wo da so kaka nso aka ho eni ama okay no aye very very bad. Papa, and I have observed this time and again. Omo ni asset na wa fa kan so okwa koto bi wo just corner shop na asema ba ho. Seriously. Oh, me family yiri car na me family me branch just around the corner. Now, police for somehow I don't know what happens or what follows this situations.
Yeah, so for yeah, so sorry who because ja yenim say ya soma wo mo so hu nti u de so sorry who say na like we try no want ase because say
Won't you say
yeah wo mo range pa na so obi na mo tip of beans so na jofu obi na soma wo mo in the realm of the spirit.
won't you say papa won't you say what na from ha what na from 10 years 15 years 20 years Shensi da obefa uyiri car and our girlfriend car say ukwa koto ade o corner shop sada no
Na sembai
na some ebeba ho and nti the American say so woni asset na please buses were hot trains were hot toll bus pass toll train ticket fa ko bra wodu train station na yanom wo ho mpo a wodi wodi atare so pan obi ama we pie we no obi ani asem so wodi tare na ambia e ho no na oba bisa ho no na oba bisa say hello, can I check your ticket, your name, your address, your date of birth? No, mundi akọ fikese mo. Mundi kọ ho fikese so be quick check on say David papa we no ne ho nye na just say na wa pass you to the police for na to police station for detention. No ma for immigration for aba. No na one thing maybe £1.50 and now £2.50 nti one share na unam kwan so eko bibia enka ense so kwose say na asay ukrata any baby amount. And I always advise if you can, please take the train, take the bus. Don't drive. Don't drive. If you don't have the right to be in the UK, don't drive. So that is what it is. Now, sir, who eventually, your immigration bill will automatically end if you are no longer detained or subject to deportation order. You are granted leave to remain or enter the UK. You are detained, then they have to release you immediately. You are removed or otherwise leave the UK. Your immigration bill ends immediately, and you have to return to the UK. If you were outside as a result of being removed unlawfully, you have to come back. But if you're already here, then of course it has to prove that and you have the leave to be here, then that brings your immigration bill to an end automatically. So that is where we stand with this sort of situation. A idea omoyen is the same thing. Please don't put yourself in trouble. Get yourself sorted. Don't be subject to detention. Unim se uniasit na yesibe report here. Then SSS uye. Obi bisam say lawyer. Yesibe report menko ana mame enko. Menko ana mame enko. Papa. Question we no. Yeah. Me bisa me catch any pan say. Question we dear. What bisa me question? Now so me so me bisa o say. Me so me catch o say. Upe akọ. Upe amenko. Now so ankọ the consequences were who comes what the ramifications and yes, Oh, so it's a very gray kind of thing.
Yes, because nipa air companies, I am a lawyer casa and a casa menko, because I am a chimney. Na lawyer no, and yellow no and committing baby.
Exactly. People change because some years ago, yachi gentleman be no new be or become, and you know, a cacanumpo or become a damn for become, and a quoted for a general. And ye be service and question a guy no not only assistant. And Omo catch and say, Ombramba reporting, Omo man immigration bill, Omo man reporting conditions. And to your Bami Ankasame ho say, Uncle Anamanenko. Papa, me manity I say, oh, Okwa, and your problem. That is some years ago, Okwa and your problem. Papa, one consua, a possible same crop over banny fee. Ni papa, ni mamma, and more the same fee. Ah, Ubiene as it now. Eja one co. Dawn 4 a.m. na nkrofo ni fie ho na ye zua ko omo ina. Enti me man ka chere so onko. As odi asama another situation, another scenario. Ono nso me say oh we wan kwa so me analyze the situation. Ano nso wanko ye ba ni fie. Ukwa ometimi aba ofie ana ometimi adetain o wan konzo a ometimi aba ofie aba be detain o enti wo hwa wan kasa no your some examination, do your own therapy. Never sa wo say me ko na detain me a nipa bebrebe a me hwa wo so wo Ghana me maame me papa me nuanom ina e depending wo so wo ko na echi wo a what is the effect? One console, not your baby over so swear. What is the effect? So you have to weigh this thing. Now, one qua, we are absconder. You have absconded. It's a very nice name, absconder. You say, it means you're an absconder. If you're an absconder, yes, we're Johnny. Yes, see, bro, one mind to where be away Johnny for. So almost so one. I'm on my own people because you have more one chance that. Ukwano. One man. And Tienya, Emma another chance. And Anampo, some more another chance in Pua. Omba what Namkakra detention. Maybe another 6 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, Granzana, Abia, Ombajao. So when it comes to go or not to go, it depends on Obia situation. But as a lawyer, Mekacho said, you are required to report. So you have to be compliant. One consona search in every application be a possible so say because one cononte on bet me and also now they refuse application because yes bra me report it wono aswodin to ama and say who go application bet me say wono ye bet na the facts one must they refuse application. So generally to go or not to go is a very fine thin line. Now very, very fine line, very, very thin line. And you have to make your own assessments. But as a lawyer, I will tell you, you have to comply with your reporting conditions so that uko na amojawa usamba na itimidi application be idiot depending on your situation. So that is what it is now. Many questions be what I can take it. So question be anywhere, I'll put a scenario out and then quickly run through it, and then maybe we can bring it to a close there today.
Okay. Yeah, so you can go with the scenario. Thank you.
Okay. A scenario will be Papa, very interesting scenario. Papa bia on it maybe Ghana. Ghana no mmofra miensa. Ena papa no eba krom ha. Ono ba krom ba hustle. Na oni maame no na omontem atete there was a divorce in Ghana and oba. Na oba no nso later oba no nso obi ekohia no na opa no na oware no ade ne bae. Ode ne bae no eventually maame no edi ne ma miensa ne na ebae maame na banya ne indefinite leave nanso because ne ma na ba abeka ne ho nti ne kunu na waware ne edibae no ose mofra miensa de enya ade a obetimi accommodate omsa ena abofra no mienu nso omonyin kakra 78 nti stubbornness nti omoni papa no entimi engete on kra aswoden papa ne set na se anoma sorry ose on sorry anoma na se ose mumbre fie 9 o'clock na mo ne nam 11 o'clock papa ne se debi ade de enya ade a betumi but na krom ha 25 years me ni asem bia da me ma police for me fie because of somebody am didn't anopa area and na police for na me fie nti mame is either so but you see me and over to see woman a ho yes a hono and a relationship no a break here now relationship ni break it down no papa I am mo friend papa wasan be share mame ena odom bodom chese yes jantwa dada enche na na so ena mame ne se wo ade a wo dia ye me ansa na wo ja me me nkwa me hwe mofra ya abepem ne nanso enye hwe emofra ne nti mesa ma waba the question is papi wabesha ba me one no assign ekwako worry the question is can they marry again that is question number 1 question number 2 so worry mami ya papi ono de obaye no na oni asitna question number 2 obetimi afa mami so ene ne man a omo krom ha ne man no ewo indefinite leave to remain so edi anya asitna ana question number 3 asitna ben ye be ma papa no number 4 how long no wait na krom hansa no anya ne indefinite the next one is se oni mami intam sanctity bi mu a ansa na wanya ne indefinite obetimi ato aso anya na asitna ana ewo krom ha. These are very, and this is a real life scenario.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
So, Mame, the first point. No?
Okay.
Yes. Mame no Abba with 2.5 years, 2.5 years, wanyani indefinite. Ne manu so, amu ba, amu ebano, amu application under paragraph 297 of the immigration rules. And no, so na mu fire, edi application, ema, emofrana. And Timofrani amount indefinite leave to enter straight. And yet 2.5 years nibi. Amo man indefinite leave to enter straight. Wabe do hewie? Mami, any papi, aya mufrano stepdad. Amuntem atiteno, divorce abamino. The next question is, papa no beteme awari mameno ewo krum ha ana. The answer to that question is yes. Oba to me, I worry mammy ewo kroma. But se okwa kware as a se omukọ registry. Registrar no obema home office notice say papa any mammy epese omo worry. Munya mu checks enhwe se eye aware pa ana. Home office better take your time either 28 days or 90 days. E dey ayo mu search ahwe se we awaripa ana enye awaripa se home office ya search we na omojitum se ampa awaripa ene omama go ahead se monkonko ware e registry ho wakwa ware we no na papa no befa oba no ene ne ma no so papa okay se ne ma no aba abeka aboho e kroma ena ne ma no se under 18 and say wawari ne mofra mame emofra nso indefinite mame no nso kra indefinite anonte ushe under the rules appendix FM section LTRP HRS papa betimi afa ne yiri ene ne ma no so no na odi anya asitna ewo krom ha And such an application can be made for the man, which was for the man to remain in the United Kingdom. Now, the next question is, asitna ben ye diba mano, mami no cry indefinite, ne money cry indefinite. Papa ne money indefinite ana Davy. Yeah, money indefinite.
Samum.
Yeah, money. Yeah, money indefinite.
I was expecting someone to say money indefinite.
Davy. Yeah, sir. Because no, no, ewa. You didn't but 10-year route, no, so. So we got 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Now a total of 10 years. And sana, what to me, anyani indefinite. Anampo. Say, your money first 2.5 years now. Now, was I another application? Now, omitted the requirements, relationship, immigration, financial, English language, and accommodation requirements now. Then, Obatimia switch from the 10 years to the 5-year route. So, based on a no, Obaya 2.5 and another 2.5, not when you 5 years. After 5 years, no akwakojini indefinite leave to remain. In other words, we fit 10-year route no so about 5-year route no so. But 5-year route no as I said all started from beginning. One to me can say my 2.5 years for 10 years route no so media no I can another 2.5 years or 5-year route no so not idia boom Davy and yanisa. Yamfadria any nadia and boom. You can
nipa baako no na watena krom ha ucha first 2.5 or whatever 2 it's the same person and watena krom ha enti asitena no de na mo chicheche musa no ya
papa me da say when them say uko Liverpool Street train station bi wo ho na sa train station no yeah wo different destinations.
Central line of himself how
Exactly. Central line wo different lines wo and I will call over the any undergrounds no po who call the other ones now a big different destinations. Track no omo na field station wa omo na for the same track so but edu baby na left ebi so upper right. Now even though you started from the same destination, the same departure point, the destination can be totally different. And to say, and go call Liverpool, and walk off a Leeds trainer. And so see, baby, let's have phonetic and son what we call Liverpool. And now so call Plymouth, no walk off a trainer, echo, maybe once worth. You have to get down somewhere and connect to the train. And to say open indefinite, no more for 10-year route this one. And so we'll see, baby, never another connection, no more 5-year route so before you can get to the indefinite leave route. No, and the same person, one out will play train fare, but it is true, sir, the destination is the same, but what for wrong route no so you have to get off and go to another one. And now Uko Houston Station now. I say we have fast train and we have the slow train. So Uko Birmingham, a bit best stop it at every single village, every single town. Meanwhile, a bus who fit the using a best stop it one place, the next place no, they say where do destination. A so that is how it works. So yes, you get your indefinite, but you may get it through the 10-year route or through the 5-year route. It is possible. Sapapewe, you didn't but 2.5 years so it can change later. Now the next question is, sir, only mommy way, relationship need break it down. Yeah. Papa no, obet me ada so anya na sit na. Remember, the first one offer ne ire ne manzo na or the nya sit na. Say no, for some reason, or say obano, say a money cancel flat no obani demo, obani kasa, or any kasa rough, and to no so or Ghana ni be my own to take it Yes.
Atete no wontimi mfa
All the way fast at it, and don't see based on that. No, any idea? Was it about Richard Basuatra and say idea or when see my ever cause relationship no break it down. Papa no packing in them. In fact, you don't want to packing in the man or one packing in the man say. Oh, now, you're married 2.5 years based on his in the year ending man. So see a relationship now breaking up. Or bet to me to ask so anya said nana. Papa, and Mrani Chrese say, oh ma, our man British and now more indefinite. Not only one ever in a relationship, no. Or bet me a fine, oh man is so now Dianya was it now. So even though set only urban intimate no, or bet me another application appendix FM section LTRPT. Not with your name manisu and yet urban view, but name manisu. But a chelese on any mano must be in good terms. On your mukasa or co school. Abia your friends saying evening parent evenings were involved in the children's lives. And now GP tiapoa and so do you say baby saw and dear obey to me I try ne manasu no dear yana sitna and no so what me switch I 5-year roadness and about so our 10-year roadness so which scenario is a very interesting combination of issues.
Yeah.
And my menus ebisa say ono nso sese a ne papa ne ntama tete no obetumi asan ko ware obi foforo aba ana. The answer is as long as you are divorced and you are afraid to marry obetumi akọ ware na odina abakroma if all the requirements are satisfied. Papa, it's very interesting. Very interesting scenario.
Wow.
Yes, and there are different laws that apply in this scenario. We have paragraph 297 IE. We have appendix FM section EC-C for the children. If they were coming under the 2.5 years, Papa Rediano was under appendix FM LTRPT, and then he later switches to LTRPT as a parent from partner to parent, and then of course, eventually, my menonsu or see Osanko Waru Bifufra, that will come under appendix FM section EC-P. Different laws, different situations in the same package. Very interesting. So, yes, these are the kind of things that Wisemart, we are able to unravel, we are able to undo, that we take it bit by bit by bit by bit, not by
that is very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. Well, I made my last question now.
Yeah.
Michelle Alatanibi. See, one of this skilled worker visa in the back room. But also, Opeso ko US. And he's preparing so by apply for US visa.
Right.
But no, beside my idea, I'm saying where they using visa lawyer. Is it possible, say, or no free Nigeria or the worker skilled worker visa in the back room? Ubetimi apply for American visa from UK. Ubetimi dia mano dia kotna lawyer.
It's possible. Benimobia onumpo or the visit visa and the buy. Visit visa and or the buy. And over J US visa or Edico US for visit.
Wow. Lawyer.
Yes, and
yes.
And visit visa, Mammy Penny the near fee. And your barber's running ma and also may must be so US and may faha na Macau show and to apply for visit visa while the other supporting documents nick and the money the money brand. Oh yeah, the man or coy and on some hands and was uncle can once now or sign back together. And this will be skilled worker visa. Possible say or US visa no alcohol. May your situation be I may deal with similar situation. Or skilled worker visa on our US visa. No. But the caveat ne say so when them say employer now wouldn't know a waha wouldn't ye jumano. And now when the employer in ye juma and you don't step out. Say employer no wouldn't know ye juma. If you are not working with the employer, on all the hours at we here record ni ho just one na ye adwuma don't step out because if you step out possible so udu US wha amo ma wo enwure because they have to do their search.
Okay.
If Oman Mawang room wa, Ubis and Eddie Amon on Betrum. Uber do heat through her. Now someone said, employer now wouldn't know, and Casa one in the age, not only on Yajma, Ubis and now would they walk Roman so on Betrum. What can Quantum?
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
And don't say the condition is if you are working with your employer, no problem. If you are not working with the employer, please don't don't step out because kono and your pro but sense of a back no you might not be that fortunate.
Wow. Yo lawyer that's a pa and I watch it ni mamu scenario no any questions a prayer no watch it mu pa nyame shraw nti nyame adoma next week so e be sign atra next week there hopefully no be a Tuesday I
yo but from you kasa
yo me da
I mean count papa
okay so ebusian for that was lawyer Wisemart Solicitors. Amejidi say ene de yesua de pa stress no kan say ukuta skill worker visa na wa senia nema yi siakoya employer adwuma ye ma na nema bebrebe ye ma you say ya ma adwuma kra be dem ma can say pay slips no ne ade nti so what is empepre wo ho se wo kopie ai na wa ya opia wontimi nsa mabium nti yen hye no so Wisemart Solicitors or more information na me dey go screen no so no so we hear more from landline number 0208 016 5384 0208 016 5384 and our mobile number which is 07931 411042 07931 411042. Se opese one lawyer wisdom kasa call that number mobile number no that is more emergency number ekutano 07931 411042. I fresa number no na obenyo and I say we can go to their website wisemartsolicitors.co.uk wisemartsolicitors.co.uk our physical address is so Dorking, London, Unit 8, the Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dorking, London, E8 3 Delta Lima, Echo 8 3 Delta Lima. I Dorking into contact for all your immigration issues. Right, so obviously this program is sponsored by Wisemart Solicitors but also by Certified Accountants Limited and Compassion Web Design Limited. So we will listen to some of their messages, their adverts before we call it quits for tonight. Please subscribe to our pages, Facebook, YouTube, as well as TikTok. There's that TikTok and saying they have been very stubborn. We are no more suspending our account.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter wo emrenimu, poto kasemu, ya kase a lawyer for, and Timinian, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Don Sua, a Yomoko Kra, a Banini Passitnemu, any Ejumemun Sembia, Omudimu Akotenipa. paa. Omo omre di many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one-stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
Who is going to do my account and tax returns for me, cry?
Certified accountants. Certified accountants. Certified accountants.
They will help you with your account and tax returns.
Are you a medical driver, hairdresser, shop owner, or self-employed? Certified accountant. And I was working with Chapman. And then we say when you will be a bring accounts and tax returns more. Now bansa so more. Now who you actually? It didn't make for certified accountant at the amount. F accounts and tax return. Company accounts, bookkeeping, payroll services, charity accounts, and gift aid claim. As of for what 20 open engineer certified accountants, separate tax planning, business advice, company registration, and many more. And if you company what you kasa now what the hotel bro. No this is Capudo Subabro no bushia. Certified accountants. Say about tax refund there. What 20 construction workers, agency workers, relief security workers, bank nursing staff, and then one we are Juma our temporary workplaces in our Monfrano, no one is Capudo Mama. But the other crowd say HMRC4 at the Cabra work. What me wow a trim and yes as well. What is so cry? Address 160 London Road, Barking, IG11 8BB. Telephone 0208 226 4933. Mobile 079 568 045 17. Certified accountant. Me humba me huwa chame. Mudi mpunti yo abba meduma yi.
This is Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian radio station in the UK, hailing from the eastern corridors of London. We bring you news, views, music, interviews, trending issues, and what have you. Tune in to us 24/7.